Let's look at it.
Swear, think about how you want your hair.
I don't know. I'm gonna go check some videos.
Yeah, get your tablet.
So do you want it to run?
Yeah.
Okay. I'll let you know. Oh, I'm kidding.
You got you got Venmo or Cash App or something? You got Apple Pay?
No, I have no online things.
Oh.
Could pay me cash.
I know, but I was gonna say for some reason I don't come back for Valentine's Day, I'll Apple Pay you.
Alright, but if you don't come back, the next time you do come back, you have to pay me 20.
Okay.
Deal.
I will be back.
Okay, if you don't.
Well, it's his birthday too, so it's like, and it's either me or Mary coming for his birthday.
It's my birthday.
I know, and his birthday, but it's either me or Mary coming for his birthday. But it's easier for me too. What?
Yeah, finally text me.
Oh, well, because we talked to her and we told her, so she knows now. Oh, you gotta watch your ankle too, though.
That was my arm, not my ankle.
I know, but I'm saying that. I'm surprised it wasn't your ankle.
No, because I went like this, and when I slipped, my whole arm put so much pressure on this, and it that.
Yeah.
Is something wrong with it? I can't see.
No, I see like the little bit of the white from the scratch.
Oh my god. Reindeer. Yeah, okay. Wow. Life lesson learned. My ankle didn't even feel anything. I was just like. You're big
What? Oh, be careful. Don't be like messing with them too bad. Yeah.
I'll put my side again. Why does it have to be like so delayed?
Well, because they want to make sure that it's like, they just want to make sure, you know, that nobody does anything bad live and it get like broadcast to everybody. You see what? Yeah, I know. They filter some random comments, but they honestly let a lot of. I mean, I can like ban certain words.
Guys, no, she's not gonna do that.
I can like, I have a lot of words on my that aren't allowed to come
ban
through.
this person?
Who? Oh, Malik.
Malik. Yeah, ban him.
I'll at least mute him. There you go.
Yeah, ban him. Thank you.
You're so funny.
We have to ban him.
What in the world?
If anyone spams him,
Make sure you put like mixed girl or like black girl hair. Because there's a difference. Otherwise, if they only give you like instructions for how to do like my hair, it's not.
like a messy bun or something.
Yeah. They're gonna be very different. Yep.
Waiting for the delay to happen.
I know. Isn't that so crazy?
I know.
Wait, did you stay up till midnight?
Huh?
On New Year's, did you stay up?
Girl, on New Year's,
Obviously,
we
yeah.
stayed up until 6.
Yeah. That's crazy.
We stayed up until 6 watching the finale of Stranger Things. Oh my god. It's so sad. I can't even. It's so sad. Wait, do you guys watch Stranger Things at your mom's house? I wish all I could see was Stranger Things. Well, you can watch Stranger.
Oh, wait. Do you want to go get that package? Out on the table?
Hey,
Yeah. Wait, no, hold on. Just go get it. And bring it back, okay?
else on YouTube.
Yeah, if you guys need to plug it in, take my AirPods off the charger.
No, it's fine.
Okay. Matthew, yours I plugged in for a second, but I still might hear.
Guys, someone had a surprise.
Claire!
Claire, this is your late subscriber.
Because look, and Haley has her stuff down here to make bracelets. And I made you got your guys your bracelets, right? I put them in the car.
It's fine. I'm just watching so closely couldn't see if my hand was in the photos in the live. So I'm like, how my clay being set?
Mm-hmm. You gonna make one? Are you gonna make one?
Maybe. What?
Yeah, in a second. You get started. We'll all do this. I'm wearing them. Oh, I made ones for myself.
Yeah. Oh, make sure it's clear. It's about to spill. I know that.
Do you want help or you got it clear?
Yeah. I'm gonna put it on the floor right here.
Good choice.
So, check if there's any tape around it first. I know there's not. Oh, Claire. Sorry, I was going to call Piper. Claire. Claire. Okay, Pet Claire. Claire. Wow. No extra gifts for me. This is gay.
Hey.
What? No, big guy. Big guy. Big guy. Big guy. Guy, big guy. Big guy. Big guy, big guy, big. Big guy, big.
Hey.
Big guy, big.
Oh, I need to find a TikTok tutorial of hair tutorials. See. I don't even know what it is.
Okay. We're almost done.
Okay.
Getting there, like, wait.
Wait, I'm looking up hair tutorials. I want easy braids.